Hi there, students. Bask. To bask, a verb. To bask is to expose yourself to pleasant warmth, particularly to bask in the sun. This is literally to bath yourself in the sun, to sunbathe. But I think when you sunbathe, you have the idea of getting a suntan, whereas to bask has the idea of enjoying the heat, enjoying the warmth and the comfortable feeling of being warm. So you could bask, you bask in the heat of the sun, or you bask in the heat of something else. The beach was covered in seals basking in the sun. They were sunning themselves. I guess you could bask in the heat of a sauna, or you could bask in thermal hot springs, or even just in your bath. Maybe that's to wallow as well. Okay, so to bask in the sun, to lie in the sun, soaking up that wonderful, warm, comfortable feeling. To bask in the sun, this is the principal collocation of the physical meaning. However, we very often use this verb to bask figuratively, meaning to take great pleasure or satisfaction from something that makes you feel good. He was basking in the success of his new book. He was enjoying being famous. She basked in the praise of her peers. She was literally bathing in it, taking a bath from it, enjoying the warmth of it. So the praise made her feel warm and good, so she basked in their praise. He basked in the warmth of her loving smile. They were basking in the luxury provided by extreme wealth. So it's a metaphor. You're sunning yourself and soaking up this heat and pleasantness. So to bask, to lie in the warmth or in the sunshine, particularly in the sunshine, basking in the sun, basking in the heat. There's even a fish, a shark, called a basking shark, a huge one of the biggest. And this animal feeds on the surface of the water, and it looks like it's basking in the sun or the warm water near the surface. And then to bask, to enjoy, to relish, to delight in, to luxuriate in some favourable situation or condition. When lockdown finishes, we can all bask in the happiness of freedom. To bask in the favourable opinion of the press. So to enjoy some positive thing, some positive situation. Maybe the company was basking in the favourable economic conditions. So, to bask, a regular verb. He basked in the sun. He has basked in the sun all week. And then the next question, formality. I think I'd probably give this word a 6 in formality. It sounds a little bit literary, but I think you could use it in an informal situation and in a very formal writing. Although informally I might say to enjoy, to sun yourself, to soak up the sunshine. Also, be careful with to bask, because as a difference to sunbathe, you sunbathe, you're getting a tan, whereas bask, you're enjoying the heat. And then as to origin, well, it probably comes from Old Norse. And I found various different Old Norse words. Balask or padask, to take a bath. So it literally means to take a warm bath. Yeah, so to bask. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. I will bask in your admiration. Subscribe to my channel, yeah, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To bask.